Hi everybody, I'm Filippo Santini and I'm here with Gabriel, BDM for Automation. We are in the Automation Innovation Center in Korea and we want to talk to you about how to integrate quality into automated stations. But first of all, to set a common ground, Gabriel, can you please explain us why is automation such a trending topic in the industry right now?
Yeah, so we see automation as a trend globally, and the driving forces behind automation vary from region to region, but it can largely be attributed to labor shortages. And of course, our customers aim to improve productivity, reliability, and quality.
Yeah, and speaking about quality, we know that with Industry 4.0, a lot of data is being generated, but data without control is nothing. That's why it's important to have systems like tools that are keeping all of them. But how to know that if the data is good or bad? We need to validate those. And that's where our softwares and our transducer are coming in help. We are able to validate all the results that are being tested by the tools. And we are also able, thanks to our upper level software, QA Supervisor, to merge quality data with production data in single reports that are making the life easier and reducing the overall cost of maintaining quality. But why is it also very important to have quality integrated into stations, fixed into the stations like we are seeing right now?
So in these type of automated stations that we see behind us, for example, we have a lot of safety equipment. We could have fences, physical safety barriers, but also light curtains, which prohibit the quality engineer from simply entering a station. That's why having the QA equipment fixed, installed in a station and being periodically checked automatically by the PLC means that our customers can check the quality of the tool without having any kind of interruption of production.
And do we have, Gabriel, already running in production system like this in some of our customers?
Yeah, we have some customers in Korea that are using our QA equipment in automated stations. And most of the time they try to set it up in a way that no product can leave the factory in case there has been a defect, like for example, a transducer errors with one of our tools. That way they can go directly to the repair station instead of having to do some kind of a recall.
Yeah, that's perfect. So with the quality integrating in automation, we are lowering the time that is needed for doing the calibrations. Thus, we are decreasing the cost of maintaining quality, but also we are reducing the risk of having bad quality on the production.